Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making some really quick sweet treats. These are great for the summertime because they take almost no work and people love them, especially the kids, big and little. I'm starting off with chocolate chip cookies. Walmart sells this, a box of these in their bakery. There's 5 dozen for $5.94. And they're all pretty much uniform in size, which is what I really like for these. And I've got the ice cream. My husband likes the vanilla bean, so that's what we've got. And all you do is take a big scoop of ice cream and put it right on your cookie. And now you've got an ice cream sandwich that is a little different than what you can get boxed. And what do you do if you want the ice cream sandwiches and you don't have any cookies? How about waffles? First time I had these was so many years ago, and I just absolutely could not believe how good they are. And you just make your waffles the same as you would just for breakfast. I'll put them in a toaster and let them cook. And as soon as they're done, all you're going to do is put a little bit of ice cream in the center, and it is an unbelievably good ice cream sandwich. And like I said, the kids love it, the big kids love it. It's filling, it's quick. It's a good one to make on a really hot day. And just put one down. Give it a nice large scoop of ice cream. And this one I can eat because this is the no sugar added. But the nice thing is that it's warm so that the ice cream starts to melt down into those little holes. And there you go. There's a waffle ice cream sandwich. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.